Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very cute quilled nutcracker for the Christmas decoration. So this is completely handmade and I will show you each and every step in detailed procedure. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need peach, white, golden and blue 3 mm strips, red, peach and black 5 mm strips, peach color 2 mm strips, quilling tool, liquid glue, quilling mold, red, blue and black craft paper and scissor. First I am starting with making the upper body. For this I am taking 10 strips of blue color and making one tight coil. Here I am using 3 mm strips and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So complete this tight coil. Secure the end and tight coil is ready. In the same way I have created one more tight coil using 10 strips of red color, but this time I have used 5 mm strip and one dome using 8 strips of red color 5 mm. So I will show you how to create dome. Just insert your fingers slowly and push this tight coil. Do it very slowly. Tap the center. So I will connect both domes with each other. I am shaping it little bit more. Now I will add glue inside each shape to make it more sturdy. Now first I will connect this blue tight coil with this big dome, then connect these two domes with each other like this. Let it dry. Now I will show you how to create face. For this I have created two tight coils using 10 strips of off-white color or peach color, and for this I have used 5 mm strip. So I have already created one dome and using this other tight coil we just need to push it little bit like this. Again add glue inside both and connect with each other. So face is ready. Now take back the body and I will connect the face with the upper body. Let it dry. Now it's dried. So I'm taking one red color paper circle which is having same diameter as this dome. So I will connect this paper circle with this dome. Like this. Now I will show you how to create hands. So I have already created one pipe. I will show you how to do this. For this I am taking 2.5 by 42 centimeters long red color strip, and I am just rolling it and making one pipe. In the same way I have created this bigger pipe. For this I took 3 by 42 centimeters long paper strip. So I will connect both the pipes with each other. Before that I am just decorating this small pipe using golden and blue color 3mm strip. Now I am taking 2 strips of 3mm golden color and making one tight coil. Secure the end. Now I will connect this tight coil with the big pipe. And now I will join both the pipes like this. So it will look like a folded hand. Hold it for some time. Now I will show you how to create palm. For this I am taking 2 strips of peach color. Here I am taking 2mm strip and just rolling it using my finger. Here I am not using my quilling tool because I need little big hole in the center. The purpose of making hole here so that we can easily insert the spear. Now just secure the end. And I am just shaping it in the center. Using the quilling mold, make a dome. Add glue inside this. Now in the same way I have created one more dome. So I am connecting both the domes with each other. So the palm is ready. Now I will connect the palm with the hands like this. In the same way, I have created one more hand. For this, I took 5.5 by 42 centimeter long red strip, and in the same way, I have decorated this as well. So hands are ready. Now I will start with the legs. So I have already created one leg. I will show you how to do this. For this, I am taking 50 by 3 centimeters blue color paper strip, and in the same way I took 50 by 3 centimeters black paper strip to make the pipe. In the same way I am creating blue color pipe. So this is done. Now I am taking 2 strips of golden color 3 mm strip, and I am making one tight coil. Now I am joining black pipe, then golden tight coil, and then blue pipe. Like this. Now to make boot, I am taking 4 strips of black color. Here I am using 5 mm strip and making one tight teardrop shape. Now I am connecting the boot with the legs like this. Now to decorate this, I am just adding these golden color circles. These golden circles are created using hole punch machine, and I have used golden color paper. So legs are ready. Now take your body, and I will connect the body with the legs. So this is done. Now I am taking this piece of black color strip and I will wrap it in the waist area so that it will work like a belt. Now I am connecting both the hands. I have added these small pieces of golden color strips to decorate the shoulder part. Hold it for some time. So it's completely dried. Now I'm just adding one piece of blue color triangle on which I have added golden strip as a border. So I'm connecting this triangle in the center. And now I will start adding hairs. For this I am taking 3 mm white color strip pieces and adding these hairs all around the back side of the head. In the same way, complete this whole area. So I have added 3 layers of hairs all around the back side. Now I have created this hat. For this I took 2.5 by 10 centimeter black color paper and I have just rolled it and created the pipe. And at the bottom I have added golden color strip. So I am connecting the hat first. Now to cover this hat, I have created this black color tight coil using 7 strips of 5 mm black strips. So I'm just adding this tight coil on top of hat. Now I am adding this mouth which I have created on white color paper and I have just outlined it using red color gel pen and added little beard using white paper. Now I am adding this nose which is created using 1/4 strip of 2 mm peach color and this is just a simple teardrop shape. Now I am adding this black moustache which I have created using black paper. And 2 small eyes. I have also drawn these eyebrows using black color gel pen. Now I am decorating the hat using this blue color teardrop. And inserting this spear, I have decorated this spear using golden cone on the top and this is simple a broomstick which I have colored using bronze color. So the cute quilled nutcracker is ready. You can decorate it as your choice. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.